Alright, so we got the front bumper in and we are gonna go drop it off for paint. Hopefully we get it back soon in time for the event. We got the bumper. I'm gonna leave it at paint. I gotta leave the car for like 2 to 3 hours so he can get a paint match for the bumper. So I'll be back in a few hours, pick up the car, and then probably tomorrow I'll pick up the bumper and work on installing it on the car. I'm gonna leave the Jenny here so that they could get a better paint match on the bumper. He did a few samples, but apparently it's better if I just leave the car, so we'll go ahead and do that. So they hit me up. It's been 2 days. The bumper for the Jenny is ready. I did not have them install it just because that was an extra 250, 260 bucks. So I figured I'd make a little video even for you guys on how to get that carbon fiber front grille, everything mounted back on the car. I'm just gonna get the bumper from him right now, toss it in the other car, and take everything home, start working on it. We are back home. Bumper is looking great. No more cracks or anything on the side. Let's see for how long. I got everything laid out here to put back. So this is that top part that sits on your shroud to the fan pretty much. Obviously that's the upper grill, middle grill, bottom grill. I got the 2 fog light bezels, whatever they're called. 2 fog lights. I went ahead and purchased the front lip already. So we got quite a bit to put on. The only thing that's gonna take longer, I'd imagine, is the rivet part. I didn't do this last time. I just paid to have my bumper installed at the body shop. But this time we'll do it for the video and try to get these off. I think to get these off, I'm gonna just snip the heads and push them out. But if not, I'll just drill through them. We'll see what's the easiest. And if you don't know what these are the ones that sit under your headlight right there and hold your bumper in place from under your headlight. Alright, so that is the bumper fully assembled, minus the brackets under the headlights. Everything else came out good. Alright, so we got one of them installed so far. We gotta do one more with the rivets. Already have them taken out, so we'll just go install this clip and do the rest. In here, I mean, they were holding, but they were a little bit iffy, so I went ahead and put self-tappers in there just to secure these brackets and make sure the bumper doesn't sag on me. I did 2 on this end because this end was a little more wobbly. This is the rivet that really didn't want to go through, or it even started to crack right there. That's probably why. So I put 2 self-tappers on the edges holding this bracket instead of the rivets. And that should be good. Yeah, the best part about getting a new bumper will be these tabs right here that I'm currently removing. These break on pretty much everyone's bumper once you load. It's the first thing that will tear off right this side. And then your bumper will be all Flappy Bird on you unless you screw it into your splash guard, which I demolished along with the cap, but I will be ordering a replacement one. This side still has it. The only reason I keep them is because you don't see a gap through this view when you're taking pictures or just driving around, as opposed to this side where you just see everything you see all of this stuff in through there, and I just don't like that. I don't know, it looks a little weird to me. So I'll be ordering that soon and putting it back on. For now, we'll enjoy fresh tabs and having good fitment on the bumper again. See how long it lasts this time. Nice fitment, nice, nice, nice. We got all the screws. This sags a little bit, but I'm missing the screw from the corner, so it'll pick it up a tiny bit, make it even. Headlights, we got nice fitment. The brackets that we did the rivets on go right in there. So we got nice fitment among the headlights. Everything fits good. Both sides, once again, this is just missing a screw, so right now it's sagging a tiny little bit, but the screw will pick it up. You got a little bit of damage because once the fender breaks tabs, the other one would scrub on my fender. Or once the bumper breaks the tab, it'll scrub on the fender, my bad. Look at this, this car is not even washed right now and it's so glossy thanks to that ceramic coat from Jeremy. You gotta look, this is how dusty it actually is. So it all has a nice layer of dust, but you can't even see on the white. I got the front bumper on, that fitment crispy right there. That side's a little more saggy than this side. This side ended up really good, but I'm happy with both of them. So what we're gonna do now is install this front lip. I went with the same lip as I did before in the polyurethane again. I really wanted the carbon fiber, but I'm scared of cracking it like I've done already a few times. This is what, the 4th or 5th bumper this thing has had, so we're back to just plastic boys. Luckily the grill got saved from the cat accident, otherwise I would have cried. But yeah, let me install this front lip and we'll get some shots of the car again. We just installed the lip I mean. I actually got pretty good fitment on this thing this time after doing it like 4 times on this car, but it all fit pretty nice, wrapped around neat against the bumper with no gaps around it, so I'm happy with it. But that's pretty much it. It's got the new front bumper, all the parts back on it. I gotta give it a quick wash probably right now so that I can take it home nice and clean. Perfect. This is exactly what I was going for when aired out. I wanted this thing pretty much touching the ground like the side skirts. The lip ended up cherry on both sides. So I'm satisfied with that.